I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make diced bacon using an easy method. First, ensure your bacon is cold. This makes it much firmer and simpler to cut. Grab a very sharp knife to achieve clean, even dices. Aim for small, consistent pieces, typically around 1/4 to 1/2 inch in size. This preparation is key for perfectly cooked bacon bits. Now let's cook it. For pan frying, put your diced bacon into a cold skillet. This allows the fat to render gradually as the pan heats up, leading to crispier results. Cook over medium heat, stirring frequently. This ensures every piece browns evenly and becomes wonderfully crispy, usually taking about 8 to 10 minutes. If you prefer oven baking, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Spread the diced bacon in a single layer on a baking sheet. Avoid overcrowding for best results. Bake for about 15 to 20 minutes, making sure to stir it halfway through. This method provides consistently crispy bacon with minimal effort. Once your bacon is perfectly crispy, it's time to drain it. Transfer the cooked diced bacon to a plate lined with several paper towels. Gently pat it to absorb any excess grease, ensuring it stays crisp. Once completely cooled, store your delicious diced bacon in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, ready for your next meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.